Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your twin flame reading. This is the messages from divine feminine to the divine masculine. Yeah, I have made some new decks, and in this video I'm going to use these decks. So this is a new deck which I have made, and this is a message, this is a deck from the divine feminine to the divine masculine. Okay, so I have started a new concept, a new I can say that a new area where I'm going to tell you that what are the messages from the divine feminine to the divine masculine. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, because this is the collective general energies for the divine feminine to the divine masculine who are not in contact with each other. Okay, so this is the messages which divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine who are not in contact with each other. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine who are not in contact. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And if you are interested in buying my decks, you can let me know in the comment section, and you can contact me on my given ID in the description box. I will mention that too. That is divinebornangel@gmail.com. So I will let you know how you can buy these decks. Let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages. What are the divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine? Okay, so let's see. A lot of things divine feminine wants to say. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? What are the divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine who are not in contact? What are the messages? Okay. Okay. So the first message from the divine feminine to the divine masculine is, when I work on my relationship with myself, everything around me also flourish. And that's right. Divine feminines are working, on the self love, and when they start focusing on their self, everything around them changes. Okay, so divine feminine wants to say this: you are my best friend, my lover, my teacher, and all in one. So that's the message divine feminine wants to say. I still get butterflies when I see you. So divine feminines feels butterflies when they see their divine masculine. Words alone cannot express how much I love you. Okay, words alone cannot express how much I love you. You are not responsible for my own wounds, which I was carry for from many lifetimes. So that's the message they want to tell the divine masculine, that you are not alone responsible for all my own wounds which divine feminines were carrying from many lifetimes. Okay, that's beautiful, divine feminines. I'm proud of you. Then there is wounded feminine. I feel like I am not good enough. Okay, so this is the message which is still requiring healing, still requiring inner work. I feel like I'm not good enough. That's the wounded feminine. Okay, thank you for guiding me towards loving myself. Beautiful message from the divine feminine. Thank you for guiding me towards loving myself. Then they want to say that I am safe, loved, and protected. Divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine that I'm safe, loved, and protected. I'm ready for a new beginning with you. Okay, so I'm ready for are new beginning with you. They want to tell you, I am totally a new person. Divine Feminine wants to tell that they are the totally new person. So these are the messages from the Divine Feminine to the Divine Masculine. And thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. And the second deck I have made is, and in which there is powerful messages from the universe. Okay, what are the messages from the universe to the Divine Feminine? Okay, so these are the messages from the universe to the Divine Feminine. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages universe wants to tell you, Divine Feminine? Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Let's see what are the messages I want to deliver to. Okay. What are the messages? Bottom of the deck I'm having, work on obtaining your financial stability. Universe wants to say that you have to work on your financial stability. Divine Feminines, you have to work on your financial stability. Okay, so the first message for you is put more focus on yourself and your surroundings. Put more focus on yourself and your surroundings. That are the messages from the universe. Learn to forgive yourself and others. You need to learn to forgive yourself and forgive others. Engage in healthier lifestyles and shed bad habits and addictions. Okay, so you need to forgive and learn, engage more in, eat as much as healthy you can, and shed old habits, bad habits, addictions if you're having anything like that. Spend some more time with family and friends. Okay, so that's very important message for you. You have to spend some more time in with family, with friends. Then universe wants to say you that you are not alone, we are working with you. Okay, Divine Feminines, you are not alone, we are working with you. There is obtain more spiritual wisdom. Engage in spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. So you have to do your energy cleansing. That's the messages which I am getting for you. So beautiful messages. Thank you so much universe for giving the beautiful message. This is the third deck which I have made, and this is the deck of blockages which you are having in your twin flame journey. Okay, so blockages which you are having in your twin flame journey. Let's see what are the blockages in twin flame journey. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the blockages in the twin flame journey for this reading? Give me the blockages which I need to tell. What are the blockages? What are the blockages? What are the blockages? Okay. What are the blockages? Any other blockage? Bottom of the deck I'm having anger issues. So anger issues can be for anyone, like Divine Feminine or the Divine Masculine. Any of you can have the anger issues. That can be a blockage in your twin flame journey. So the journey message is that chaser, either you are Divine Feminines, either you are in a chaser form or the Divine Masculine is a chaser form, but someone is in the chaser form. You have to be in the surrender mode to, so that you can get your twin flame reunion. So you have to be in surrender to the divine. Don't be in running or chasing form, but someone is in chasing form here. Chaser is here. Then there is loner. So these are the blockages which are there in your twin flame journey. Okay, so there is a loner here. Then there is quick to leave. Someone is quick to leave. Either you are quick to leave, or your Divine Masculine is quick to leave, or Divine Feminine is quick to leave, but someone is quick to leave. And there is workaholic. here. So either divine feminine is workaholic or the divine masculine is workaholic. Apply according to your situation, okay? But someone is workaholic. Then someone is moody, so that's the blockage which is being here. Then there is lazy here, so someone is lazy. Someone is spoiled brat here, so this is the blockage which I'm having here. Then someone is blinded by gossips, this is a blockage which is having. And someone is dealing with a karmic lover here. So either divine feminines are having karmic lover or the divine masculine is having karmic lover, but someone is dealing with the karmic lover here. So these are the blockages which I am having for you. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's see some messages from Angels Oracle deck. Sorry. What are the messages for this twin flame reading from the divine feminine to the divine masculine? What are the messages you want me to give? What are the messages you want me to deliver? Give me the messages you want me to give. What are the messages for this twin flame reading? See, again the message is spend some more time with family, friends. Again the message is same, spend some more time with family and friends. 1144 was the recording reading time. Angels wants you to take a step back and spend time with your family. Do not get overly engrossed in work that you neglect your family. Maintain your work life and balance. So this is a message which I'm getting for you, that you have to spend some more time with your friends, with your family, okay? So the first message for you is Archangel Uriel. Call upon Archangel Uriel as he is conduct to your angels and spirit guides, from who you shall receive clarity in spiritual guidance. So you want to get us clarity, you can call upon Archangel Uriel and that will help you out in getting the clarity. And again the forgiveness is here. So you have to, angels indicate that you have forgiveness issues with certain relationships in life. Angel asks you to release the negative emotions, forgive and move on so that you can heal. Okay, so that's the message which I am getting for you. I think it is clear. I do not know, but forgiveness is the message which I am getting for you. You have to forgive so that you can heal that emotion, you can release that negative emotions and you can heal the situation. Forgiveness is required for you. Then there is healing energies of unicorns. Pray to the angels and ask them to infuse you and your loved ones with the mystical and healing energies of unicorn. Beautiful. Then there is reoccurring situations. Angels wants you to observe the reoccurring situation and relationship obstacles in life. Identify them, learn them and grow. Reoccurring situations are happening in your life because you are not learning the lessons. That's why there is a karmic lover here. Because once, till the time you will not learn the lesson, the things will repeat again and again. The situation are going to, repeat again and again. It will reoccur again and again. So you have to identify them, learn from them and then grow. So that's the message I'm getting. And there is creativity. Angels wants to infuse creativity into your life by undertaking painting, music, literature, etc. This will open you to new possibilities and widen your horizons. So divine feminines and the divine masculine, you have to use your creativity, okay? Use your creativity and move in a forward direction. That's the message I'm getting for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. So let's see what are the messages from the tarot. Okay, this is the divine feminine to the divine masculine reading. This is the deck which I have made again. This is a twin flame tarot deck. Let's see what are the messages from this tarot deck for this reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. Let me see more. Is there any other message? Any other message for this reading which I need to deliver? No. See, a soulmate is here. So yes, they are helping you out to grow. So this soulmate can be a karmic lover which is helping you out in growing, because karmic lover, a soulmate, they help you out in grow. 1616 was the recording reading time. Okay, so there is a karmic lover, there is a soulmate who is trying, who is helping you out in growing, basically in helping you out to grow. They are making ready for your twin flame journey. So you have to learn the lesson, you have to help, you have to take the lessons which you need to learn. The first message for you is the twin flame awakening, growing closer and gaining awareness. And the second is awakening, you're finding your higher self. So many of you are going through an awakening process, and you, once you're getting awakening process, you are getting your higher version, you're getting your higher self, and you are gaining your twin flame closer. Okay, so that's the message which I am getting here. Then there is moon energies being affected by lunar cycles. So yes, moon energies affect you out if you are not in a balanced state. So yes, moon energy is affecting you. Okay, lunar cycles are affecting you. You are being affected by the lunar cycles because you are not in a balanced state. 1717 was the recording reading time. Once you get the balance, the lunar energies, the moon energies will not affect you. So you have to work on yourself, you have to work on your inner self. Then there is memories. Listen to your system subtitle messages. Okay, so some kind of memories you are going through right now, so you have to listen to that subtitle messages which you are receiving it. Then there is metaphorsis. You are in a process of transformation. See, again, the message is very clear that you are going through a transformation, you are going through a process of awakening, you are in a process of metaphorsis, and you need to have some kind of patience. This situation requires more time. Okay, so this situation requires more time. That's the message which I am getting for you. Beautiful messages for you. So this was the reading from the divine feminine to the divine masculine for the twin flame journey. Okay, and the blockages and the tarot deck I used in this reading. I hope it helped you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything regarding this video or regarding anything you want to share or discuss with me. Sending you lots of love, light and healing energy to everyone who is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.